What's up guys, this is Shan Heather and today we got POCO C65 smartphone with us and we are going to perform an unboxing of its retail box. We will have a look on the device inside, its design, features, hardware specs and all of the usual unboxing stuff. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. So first of all, let's have a look on the retail box. Here we got the POCO branding, POCO C65, and we got the typical yellow colored POCO retail box. Here we got the information that it comes with 8GB RAM, 256GB storage, and the color variant we got is blue. The device is also available in 6GB RAM and 128GB ROM variants. So we got the high-end version of POCO C65 here. So let's open the box and let's see what we got inside. So here we got our POCO C65 in blue color. There is a SIM card tray ejector pin. We got some quick start guide, user manuals, etc. Here we got a USB Type-C cable and a Xiaomi 18-watt charger. So these are the stuff we got inside the retail box of POCO C65, the smartphone, the SIM card tray ejector pin, quick start guide, user manuals, a USB Type-C cable and an 18-watt adapter. As you can see, surprisingly, POCO is not providing a silicon TPU case for the back panel as it usually provides with other devices. So you will have to buy one for your POCO C65. So here is our POCO C65 in blue color, and as you can see, it comes with glittery back panel looking quite beautiful and eye-catching. Here on the front we got this screen protector that talks about few of the hardware specs of the device. So the POCO C65 comes with MediaTek Helio G85 processor. We got 50 megapixel AI triple camera, a 6.74 inch 90Hz display, 5000 mAh battery with 18-watt charging. So now let's switch on the device and we will have to go through the setup process, and after that we will have a detailed look on our POCO C65 here. And here we go. So the setup is done and we are good to go with our POCO C65. So on the front side we got this huge 6.74 inch display with 84% screen to body ratio. So we got a bit of bezels on the sides. We got a bit of chin at bottom as well that is thicker compared to the side bezels. The thickness of the top bezel is same as the side bezels and it comes with a notch that is slowly getting disappeared from Android smartphones, but considering the price segment of POCO C65, it is quite justified as it is an entry-level smartphone. Right above the front camera, you will find this tiny slit that works as the earpiece. At the top, we got the 3.5mm jack, but as we have seen, unfortunately, POCO does not provide earphones in the retail box, so you will have to use your own if you get this device. At the bottom, we got this pickle grill, USB Type-C port, and the primary microphone. On the left side, you will get the SIM card tray slot where you will find 2 nano SIM card slots as well as a dedicated micro SD card slot that supports up to 1 TB of memory cards. On the right side we got the volume rockers and the power key, beneath which you will find the fingerprint sensor embedded. Compared to the volume keys, the height of the fingerprint sensor a bit less, so I would personally prefer if it was symmetrical to the volume keys for better symmetry. Back of the POCO C65 is the most beautiful part of its design as it comes with the signature camera module island that you will find on majority of the POCO smartphones with this huge strip. Considering the tiny sensors of the camera, the lens rings are a bit huge for sure. So here we got the POCO branding, 50 megapixel AI camera branding. We got the LED flash, and right above the LED flash there is a CD-like texture circle. And then if you have a look on rest of the back panel, you can see that it comes with all of these glittery particles that looks quite beautiful, very glamorous and eye-catching for sure. And even though the color variant is called blue, sometimes it looks grayish, sometimes a bit blackish, and at some particular angle it looks bluish as well. So depending on at what angle the light is falling on the back panel, you will get different colors. And as you can see that the glossy part of this camera module is attracting fingerprints and smudges very easily. So you will have to keep cleaning it time to time for sure. The frame as well as the back panel of POCO C65 is made of plastic. It is 8.1 mm thick and it weighs 192 grams. So it is not too heavy and it is not too thick as well. It does not come with any kind of IP certification for water or dust resistance, but we got the Corning Gorilla Glass protection on the display. POCO officially does not provide the information that which variant of Gorilla Glass is used on POCO C65, but considering the price segment of the device, it is quite impressive that POCO decided to include the Gorilla Glass on this device. Now talking about the display, we got a 6.74 inch LCD display with 90Hz refresh rate, 1600 x 720 pixel resolution with 84% screen to body ratio. Because of that, the PPI you will get is 260, and once again, considering the price segment of the device, it is still pretty solid, and surprisingly it looks sharper than 260 ppi. So it is quite sharp, the colors are very punchy, and the viewing angles are great as well. It comes with 450 nits typical brightness, and the peak brightness can go as high as 600 nits. You won't feel much issue while using the device in bright sunny outdoors. It comes with 90 Hz refresh rate, so POCO provides us the option to either select the default or you can select the custom refresh rate as well between 60 Hz and 90 Hz. And at 90 Hz, as you can see, the display is looking quite smooth here. I will see whether the games are going to be run at 90 FPS or not on POCO C65 considering the hardware specs of the device we got here. So the gaming test video of POCO C65 will be uploaded very soon on this channel. So do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification when that video is live. And that's not all, because it also comes with TUV Rhineland flicker free certification as well as TUV Rhineland low blue light certification that is based on the software. So once again, considering the price segment of this device, these features are quite impressive. Now talking about the software side, the POCO C65 comes with MIUI 14 with Android 13. Out of 256 GB storage, nearly 32 GB is preoccupied, so you will get around 224 GB storage free on POCO C65, and if it is not sufficient for you, then you can use the dedicated microSD card slot to expand the storage as well. The MIUI 14 is pretty feature rich, as you can see that it comes with lots of options that you can use to improve your productivity and customize the device the way you want to have a nice user experience on POCO C65 here. Along with the usual Google applications, it also comes with plenty of MIUI applications. So we got gallery, weather, Mi browser, music, game center, Mi video, themes, security. We also got the calendar, file manager, notes, POCO community, and for some reason YouTube and YouTube music are not inside the Google application folders. And then we got some useful applications under the tools folder, as you can see, and we got plenty of bloatware as well here in the more apps section. But the good part is that if you do not want to use any of these or keep on your device, then you can easily uninstall them. So this is nice that POCO is providing the option to uninstall any of these bloatware third-party applications that come pre-installed on POCO C65. Now talking about the camera, we got an 8 megapixel front-facing camera that is capable of recording 1080p resolution videos at 30 fps, and then on the back we got the 50 megapixel primary camera that is once again can record full HD resolution videos up to 30 fps. We got 2 megapixel macro lens and 2 megapixel depth sensor. Since this is an entry-level budget Android smartphone, it does not come with the telephoto lens or wide-angle lens, and once again, considering the price segment of this device, it is totally justified. If you launch the camera application, this is the user interface you will find. So you can see that it comes with photo mode. In the photo mode, we got the options of HDR. There is a dedicated macro mode provided as well, and we got some other options like flash, watermark, time burst, voice shutter, etc. If you go to the video mode, here you can see that you can record 1080p resolution videos at 30 fps, and you can even record macro videos from POCO C65 as it comes with a dedicated macro lens, but the video resolution will be reduced to 720p only. And then we got the time lapse, we got the portrait mode, we got the night mode, and we got the dedicated 50 megapixel imaging mode as well. As you can see, the slow motion mode is not available on this device as it is a budget smartphone, but rest of the features are there that you will use mostly in your daily life. So at the first glance, the POCO C65 is looking a very nice entry-level smartphone as it comes with a huge screen that is pretty good in terms of quality, Corning Gorilla Glass protection, dedicated microSD card slot, 3.5mm jack, a side-mounted fingerprint sensor, 5000 mAh battery with 18-watt charging, a 50 megapixel rear camera, and a beautiful looking back panel. But this is just a first impression video. Many more videos of the POCO C65 like the gaming test, camera test, benchmarking test, comparison with other smartphones, etc. are going to be uploaded very soon on this channel. So do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification when those videos are live. And if you enjoyed watching this one, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.